Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emily who had always dreamed of becoming a successful author. She had a natural talent for writing and a passion for storytelling, but despite her best efforts, she often found herself struggling with writer's block and self-doubt. One day, while browsing the internet for writing resources, Emily stumbled upon ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI. Intrigued by its promise to generate writing prompts and offer creative advice, she decided to give it a try. At first, Emily was skeptical. How could a computer program help her overcome the challenges she faced as a writer? But as she began to explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, she found herself increasingly impressed by its abilities. With just a few simple prompts, ChatGPT could generate entire story ideas, complete with characters, plot twists, and settings. It could offer advice on everything from pacing and dialogue to theme and tone, and it could even suggest ways to make her writing more engaging and memorable. For Emily, who had always struggled to come up with original and compelling ideas, ChatGPT was a revelation. She started spending hours each day exploring the platform's features and experimenting with different writing styles and genres. As she continued to use ChatGPT, Emily found that her writing skills began to improve dramatically. She was able to overcome her writer's block and write more freely and confidently than ever before. And as she shared her work with friends and family, she received increasingly positive feedback, which only fueled her passion for writing even further. Before long, Emily had amassed a collection of stories that she was truly proud of. She began submitting her work to literary magazines and online contests, and to her surprise, she started receiving recognition and awards for her writing. But as her success grew, so did her doubts. Was she really a talented writer, or was she simply benefiting from the help of ChatGPT? Was her work truly original and meaningful, or was she just following the program's suggestions? Emily struggled with these questions for a long time, feeling increasingly conflicted and uncertain about her place in the world of literature. She started to worry that she was simply a fraud, that her success was nothing more than a fluke. It wasn't until she met a famous author named Sarah that Emily began to see things differently. Sarah was warm and friendly, and she had a way of putting Emily at ease. As they talked, Emily shared her doubts and insecurities, and Sarah listened patiently and empathetically. "Emily," Sarah said, "there's no such thing as a real writer. We all have our own unique paths to success, and we all face our own struggles along the way. What matters most is that you're passionate about writing, that you're willing to work hard and put in the time and effort to develop your craft." Emily nodded, feeling reassured. But Sarah wasn't done. "And as for ChatGPT," she said, "it's just a tool. It can help you generate ideas and develop your writing skills, but it can't write the story for you. That's all you." Emily thought about this for a moment, and then she smiled. Sarah was right. ChatGPT may have helped her overcome her writer's block and develop her skills, but it was her own talent and creativity that had brought her success. With newfound confidence, Emily continued to write and share her work with the world.